Hi. So before the holidays, we were learning all about animals, about what they look like, about what noises they make. And before we move on to our next topic, which is going to be bodies, I thought we could play a little game. I have 2 dice here, and they've got different animals on them. I hope you can see them. I'm going to roll the dice, and then you have to say the sound that the animal makes. You've got to try and beat me. Okay? All right. Should we do the yellow one first? I'm going to roll the dice. Okay, let me show you. Can you see what that is? They're horses. Oh, now I have to think about which sound a horse makes. Neigh! Did you get it before me? Let's do another one. Ooh. Can you see what it is? It's the head of the animal. It's a cat. Now I have to think about the sound. I think you beat me. Meow. A cat says meow. Oh, this is a tricky one. What animal is this? They're fish. What sound does a fish make? You see these? Do you know what animal that is? It's a chicken. Buck, 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 buck. Did you get that? Oh, you're going to have to be quick on this one. I think I already know. What animal is it? What sound does it make? Ruff! Ruff! There are 2 dogs in this picture. 2 small dogs. Maybe if it was a big dog, it would say roof! Roof! Aha. Can you see this one? We already had chickens. Where are the chickens? This one has a special name. Do you know what it is? This is a rooster. Do you know what a rooster says? Cock-a-doodle-doo! Were you able to get all of those? Should we have a look at the other dice now? So these were all animals that you might find on a farm. I wonder what might be on the other dice. Oh, it's got some sand on it. All right, are we ready? You have to try and beat me. What animal can you see? It's a crocodile. What does a crocodile do? Remember, never smile at a crocodile. Here we go. Are you ready? Gotta be fast. Gonna see. Oh, it's a bit hard when it's shiny like that. It's a lion. Is it a boy lion or a girl lion? It's a boy because it has a mane. It's a parrot. Oh, I wonder what animal is going to be next. Gonna have to be fast. Did you say elephant? What sound does it make? Let's see. 10 little monkeys jumping on the bed. What does a monkey say? This monkey is eating something. Maybe a banana. one more roll. You got to be fast. What animal is this? A snake, or you might have also said a cobra. Okay, in our next videos, we're going to be starting to look at our body. We're going to start with our face. When we come back to class, we can go over our animals again, but I know that you're all animal experts. So I'll see you in the next film. Bye.